When a tech enthusiast owns a PC, especially a custom-built PC, there's no way it can stay in one configuration for long. Hi, I'm Justin for Random Tech Videos, and before I get into this video, please don't forget to consider subscribing to this channel. Please like the video if you think you might enjoy it. And with that out of the way, we can get into the video. So my PC currently has Noctua NF-F12 fans, 2 of them on a CPU cooler, rated at 1500 RPM. These fans I'm holding in my hand right now are rated at 3000 RPM, so about double the speed. They're the exact same type of fan otherwise. So will upgrading to these increase my CPU's performance? That's what I'm trying to find out. I do not expect double the performance, but will I get any higher boost clocks or any lower temperatures? Well, to test this, I have my case door open on my PC. I will turn all the fans to maximum, and I'll run Cinebench R23 and see what score I get before I upgrade the fans and after I upgrade the fans. I will also be doing a 5 or 10 minute stress test where I run Cinebench continuously for 5 or 10 minutes and see what my core speeds and temperatures are looking like after that. So I don't know how well you can hear this, but currently all my case fans are at maximum speed and my CPU cooler fans are also at maximum speed. I will now be running Cinebench R23 with no other programs and my fan control open in the background. This multi-core score will let me know approximately how well my CPU performs before I upgrade the fans. The rendering is almost done, so let's see what it will be. Okay, I got a score of 22,132 because my CPU is a Ryzen 9 5900X. Sorry, I forgot to say that earlier, but that's what my CPU is. So now I'm about to do the extended run test for 5 minutes in Cinebench to see how badly the CPU throttles and what temperatures I reach. So I'm about to press start right now, and right from the start we're at 4.5 gigahertz. Okay, 4.4, 4.39, 4.4, 4.38, and that's running all core. Now we're down to 4.37 gigahertz all core. And at this time we're getting about 84 to 85, even 86 or 87 degrees maximum temperature on the hottest core, which it's okay, but it's not the best. So I will see what that is at the end of the 5 minutes, and we're stable now at about 4.34 gigahertz. I'll give you an update once this run is done. So we have about 1 minute left on the Cinebench throttle test, and we are currently running. It has stabilized at 4.3 gigahertz average and 87 to 90 degrees Celsius consistently on the hottest core. This is not the most ideal, although it's not the worst, because I did have a laptop recently that would run 100 degrees Celsius constantly, so it's nothing like that, but it's still definitely not the best thermals. So about 1 second left or so, it will finish this run before it stops. But so the 5 minutes has officially completed, and we're still at 4.3 gigahertz and 88 degrees Celsius. So this is with my current push-pull configuration of 1500 RPM fans, and I forgot to mention, but I have Precision Boost Overdrive enabled, so I don't expect to see lower temperatures when I upgrade the fans. I only expect to see higher performance, because basically what Precision Boost Overdrive does is it says, okay, here's the thermal limit that the CPU can handle, go right up to that, and if the temperature is lower, then that's extra headroom for more performance. I like it that way, but now that it's done, let me change my fans and see if I have any performance gain. Now that ended up being a lot harder than it should have been, but now I can say the one thing I've always wanted to say about my PC. Prepare for takeoff. Yeah, you hear that? That's what my new fans sound like, and I haven't even installed the new case fans yet that are also 3000 RPM. This is my custom PC and it's about to prepare for takeoff. I'm weird. I get it. I'm weird. But I want my PC to sound powerful. And this helps it do that. But don't worry, it can also be stealth mode, be totally quiet by just setting a lower RPM in my fan control program here. But that's enough talk. Let's see if it does any better in Cinebench. I haven't tested anything off camera, so what you see is what I see. Okay, I'm starting to run. Okay, I expect a little bit more performance than that. I got a score of 22,123 in Cinebench. Okay, this is a little bit underwhelming, I would say. But maybe not all hope is lost. Let's see if the temperatures are at least somewhat better. But regardless, I can hear my fans now. Everyone wants quiet fans, but I want loud fans, so it's a win for me, even if I get no better performance. I'm weird, I guess. I'm a nerd. I like to know my computer is powerful. Right now I'm starting the throttling test, which is a 5-minute Cinebench run. So, okay, 4.5 gigahertz, 4.46, 4.41. Okay, we're staying at 4.40. Okay, and what temperature? We're at 81. Okay, 4.39, 4.38, 4.37, 82. Okay, staying around 4.37 for now. And I'll get back to you once it's almost done to see if it settles down to a lower clock speed or if it maintains this 4.37 gigahertz. There's now about a minute and a half left on this run, but I can already tell the results from this. So I'm at 85 degrees Celsius average instead of 87 or 88 average, and I'm at 4.37 gigahertz stable instead of 4.3 gigahertz, approximately dipping down all the way to 4.27 and up to 4.33. So I'm now getting a stable 4.37. It's not changing at all. And this means a lot to me. This is totally worth it for me to have done this fan upgrade. But for you, if you're watching this video because you think your CPU cooler isn't performing well enough and you want to upgrade the fans, well, just take a listen. For me, this is worth it, but for most people, probably not worth it. But since I'm an ultra tech nerd and I want every 0.01 gigahertz that I can possibly squeeze out of my CPU, it's worth it for me. Okay, these tech videos are supposed to be professional, but I'm just making them funny now. Well, anyway, I hope this video was informative and also entertaining. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also consider subscribing to my channel and commenting on my video, because I do need to at some point get monetized, otherwise I can't just keep spending indefinitely on these tech videos. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and until my next tech video, goodbye and thank you for watching.